Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Here we can see the media, call, ringtone, notification and alarm volume panels. We can change them just by slide to the left or to the right side, that's blue dot with our finger. Here we can set also vibration for calls, never to vibrate, always, or first when ring gradually. So let's go back, and here we can see also the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or we can turn it off. We can just here add the people who can call to us, for example, in don't disturb mode. Also we can add the applications and alarms. Also we can here add the schedule, so we can add the start and add time of the don't disturb mode here. And also we have here the advanced options, just to display options for hiding notifications, and change the duration for quick settings here. So also we have here the media section. We can hide player when the media session has ended, and also we can here switch the ringtone, phone ringtone. And in advanced settings we can change here the notification, alarm sounds, and we can turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging and vibration sound, touch sounds and touch vibrations. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options by click on each of the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.